I wanted to talk about body confidence right now. I'm just trying to get more comfortable in what my body looks like. I'm healthier. Look, I still sometimes look in the mirror and feel like I look really big compared to how I used to and get really uncomfortable in my body. So you just have to learn to love yourself when you're a healthy size and embrace what healthy is for your body. Okay, so today I'm pretty excited because I am announcing, I don't know what word to use. So today I'm pretty excited to announce a giveaway that I'm doing. Really random. So basically I've teamed up with a few of my favorite brands to do a giveaway. So they're kind of the type of things that I talk about or share in videos, and I was like, it'd be kind of cool to do a giveaway to share some of the stuff that I have or use or talk about, and so someone else can try them, or yeah. Anyway, so the brands that I've teamed up with are Timol Healthy Chips. So if you've watched the trying health foods videos that I've done, like me and Maya did, and we tried the cauliflower puffs, it's that brand that does the cauliflower puff chips. Blue Dinosaur bars, Teamy, the tea brand that I team up with, and Googies, the protein brand that I love. So it's just those 4 brands. So basically the prize includes some stuff from each of those brands. If you're like interested in trying them out, like, may as well enter. So from Timol Healthy Chips, it's a huge box, like this is massive, with a bunch of their different products. So it has their cauliflower puffs. This is my absolute favorite. And then there's also a bunch of other things I have. So they also have almond chips, avocado chips, and pomegranate chips. So there's a huge box of these. I'm so thankful that Blue Dinosaur, they are awesome. Blue Dinosaur bar sent me a mixed box. So they have banana bread, lamington, wild apricot, and cacao mint. I've not had wild apricot, but the other 3 are bomb. Banana bread is my favorite flavor. So there's 12 Blue Dinosaur bars in there. From Teamy, the prize includes the baby pink tumbler. If you've seen in some of my posts, it's the same one that I have, and I religiously use it. It's so good. I don't want to like fully open it, but it's this baby pink tumbler, which you can put loose leaf teas in. Teamy is like a tea and also health and wellness brand, and they have a lot of skincare and stuff like that. And from Teamy, the price also includes this konjac tea sponge bundle. So they're basically tea infused konjac sponges, and they're like, I've never actually used them, but it's like a natural sponge made of, there's 3 different flavors. There's chamomile, green tea, and lavender infused. Basically it's like a natural sponge which is for cleaning your pores and your skin, and you just soak it in warm water and then massage your face and then rinse your face, and then you can reuse it a few times. So it's like a pore refiner, and it's not focusing, but oh well. And then the last thing is 2 Googies real food protein bars made with egg white protein, one in blueberry and one in choc sea salt flavour, and they're the 2 of my favourite flavours. So yeah, I really just wanted to... So they're the 4 different brands and the products from those brands included in the giveaway, and I really just wanted to share some of the stuff that I love. I always share on my channel and Instagram and stuff, and yeah, just share it so that other people can get a chance to try it out and get it for free, because I know products like that are expensive and like it's a trick to spend your money. So to enter the giveaway, I'm making it on my Instagram. So if you head over to my Instagram, I'll have a post for the giveaway, and basically all you have to do is follow the 4 brands and me, and then tag 2 friends, and then you're entered. And that's literally it. It's open to Australia wide, just because I won't be able to pay for posting things this big overseas. But yeah, so then in 2 weeks I'll just randomly pick a winner. And I'll also make it's a bonus entry if you share it to your Instagram story, not to your Instagram, because no one really wants to post a random giveaway post on their Instagram. It's kind of annoying. But anyway, so they're the things in the giveaway. If you're interested in trying any of them, definitely try enter. Why not? You can get free stuff. And yeah, So today I'm still in my uni break. So I just have to do a little bit of work and some stuff like that. And I'm going to the beach with one of my good friends, and the weather is so nice. It's like 30 degrees today. It's spring, so it's just started to get warm again here. But I wanted to talk about body confidence right now, because that's something that I'm working on and have improved on, but something when you're recovering from being really underweight or having to put on weight, you have to just learn to love what your body looks like at its healthiest. And I struggled so much when I first started gaining weight because I was uncomfortable with what I saw, and I just was so obsessed with being shredded and lean, and I just had to be like, you know what, some people might get a period looking shredded and be healthy, but for me I was not, and I was emaciated and so underweight, and I felt terrible. And so what I have been focusing on so much is how I feel over how I look, but also trying to learn to love how I look at my healthiest, and being like, you know what, I love being stronger and feeling better, and this is how I look when I do that, so I need to love that because it's beautiful. And like, obviously, you know, and you don't need to be obsessed with yourself or whatever, but I think it's important that everyone kind of, you know, respects and is happy with how they are. And you got to just learn to love how you look when you're your healthiest. You can't just be like, you know what, if you don't like what you see in the mirror, change it, because it might not be healthy to change it. It's healthy to just love you when you're your healthiest. And it's just been so nice going to training and going to the gym, and my training's focused on actually getting stronger, getting faster, getting fitter, and it's not focused on, you know, aesthetics or burning calories or whatever. It's literally just focused on athleticism and health. And it's just, I thought about that the other night, and I was like, such a better place to be back to feeling like an athlete, or just feeling like a healthy human, or just not being obsessed with, just, it's so consuming when you're so scared about how you look and stuff. Anyway, so my body has been changing as I've, you know, been getting to a healthier way, and I haven't been as shredded and like I guess lean as I was before. Like, I've always been slight. I think the word is slight, if that just means like slim and like athletic and muscular, but I still had body fat on me. And for me, I didn't like, everyone distributes their body fat differently. I wasn't someone that distributed it, so I still was shredded and had abs when I got a period. I just feel like that's just not how my body works. I don't know if it might change because I was a kid, or like, you know, I hadn't done weights and stuff. But anyway, regardless of how it might change, I'm just trying to like love it and what it can do when it's healthy. And obviously not every day you feel great about yourself, but I'm just trying to be like, you know what, I'm trying to not, you know, hide behind layers or whatever. And obviously wear t-shirts and stuff, wear what you feel comfortable in, or wear what you want, but I don't want to start feeling uncomfortable when in ways that I never used to. Like, I wear a bikini at the beach and I was fine, and like I race in crop top and briefs and I didn't feel comfortable in how I looked, and I don't want to start feeling uncomfortable in how I look. So as I gain weight, I'm not going to just hide behind clothes all the time. Like, I still want to be able to be like, no, this is how I look, you know. If you don't love that, then I don't care what you think, because your opinion is then invalid. Like, it doesn't matter if someone doesn't like how you look, then who cares what they think. I know it's way easier said than done, because obviously we all care about what people think of us and stuff like that, but what matters is what you think of you. If you're happy with how you look and someone else isn't, then you know what, you're happy, who cares what they think. Anyway, so when I was kind of like, I don't know, like I have so many bikinis and stuff that I love, but when I was kind of worried about like showing my body, which I never had been before, I bought like one pieces and stuff, which is completely fine. But you know what, I don't really like one pieces. I'm not a one piece girl, and I have so many beautiful bikinis that I love. And I was just like, YOLO, just wear your bikini and who cares about your body. Like, you know what, embrace it. And like, I'm going to show you this, I'll show you this bikini I have on now because it's really different. So this is the cozy I have. So this is the cozy I'm wearing now. It's from Billabong. I actually have quite a few different cozies that, honestly, like just now I was like, okay, I feel a little bit uncomfortable in front of a camera. Like, I'm not looking like I used to. Like, I honestly feel kind of nervous right now. But Yeah, but I'm not gonna stop being nervous unless I just deal with it and then you know, just learn to love how I am when I'm healthy. And I want to be able to get on a start line for a race in my uniform, which is a crop top and like briefs, and be confident in myself and be, you know, focus on my race and not be worried about, you know, be self-conscious or whatever. So I guess you just YOLO, fake it till you make it, really. So this is my cozy. I thought it was cute. Yeah. Anyway, but yeah, so I don't know, I guess I'll just go to the beach and not worry about what I might be thinking of me or what other people are thinking of me, and just enjoy being alive, because at the end of the day, your body is just your body. It's, you know, your vessel to live life in. One day when you're dead, it's not really going to matter what your body had looked like when you were young, or one day when you're old, it won't really matter what you had looked like. It matters more how you felt and what type of person you were. And yeah, so I guess my message is really just love yourself and just try not to care about what other people think, as hard as it is. Take everything with a grain of salt. I just wanted to add, I'm just trying to get more comfortable in what my body looks like, and just being like, whatever, this is how I look. I'm healthier, and if someone makes a comment and thinks and says something negative, then it literally, you have to not worry about what they think and know what's best for you. And I know if I hide behind layers, I won't be able to just learn to love my body, because I'll still be expecting it to look how it did when I was really, really emaciated, and I won't get used to how it looks when it's stronger and healthier. And then I won't learn to like what I see, because I'll be so used to something else that I'll just feel so much bigger, because I know I'm only starting to get used to how I look. I still sometimes look in the mirror and feel like I look really big compared to how I used to, and get really uncomfortable in my body. But I'm just like, you know what, I feel like healthier. I'm trying to embrace being like stronger and having more of a booty, or like having stronger legs that can get me to run faster, and not being so emaciated. Okay, so just another view of what's included in the giveaway. So we have this huge box of all the different chips: cauliflower puffs, almond chips, there's blue dinosaur bars in these flavours, the 2 bars from Googie's blueberry and choc sea salt, a Teamy tumbler, and 3 different types of these tea infused konjac sponges. Focus. So this is the really unusual different cozy I'm wearing today. I'm honestly trying to just, I know what I was most self-conscious about was my stomach, and I know it's not as lean as you know it was when I was really underweight, but I know I'm a lot healthier now, which is what matters, and I need to get a period and stuff like that. So I'm just trying to embrace, you know, what my body can do for me, and, you know, being a healthier size. So getting stronger, you know, legs, arms, getting stronger everything again, and not being so conscious about having no body fat on me, because body fat is a good thing and it's necessary. So yeah, I guess you just have to learn to love yourself when you're a healthy size, and embrace what healthy is for your body. And I did want to add that I know it's hard, but your self-worth shouldn't be based on how you look. And I realized that's something I definitely did when I was in a bad place. All I thought I had was how I looked. I was really self-conscious. I mean, I got happy with how I looked, but I didn't think of much as myself as anything besides how my body looked, and I expected everyone else to think that too. And when I had to gain weight and get to a healthy size, I really struggled, because I was like, what even am I if I'm not really shredded? I'm nothing. And then I just was like, you know what, you are. You can't define yourself based on how you look, and if someone else does, then that's completely sad, and just don't include them in your life, because you are way more than your body. When you're old and you die, how you looked when you're young won't even matter. Even like how you look when you're young is temporary. How you look always is temporary. You're always changing, and how you look shouldn't matter. It shouldn't rule how you feel or how happy you are, because at the end of the day, when you're old and your body changes anyway, what would have mattered isn't how it looked when you were younger, but how you were as a person on the inside, and how happy you were, the memories you made, the experiences you had. It matters more if you're a beautiful person on the inside and you're really kind and generous and respectful and lovely, than if you know, are stunning on the outside but not like that on the inside. So who cares what you look like on the outside? At the end of the day, if you're a beautiful person and have the biggest heart. Kia.
Back angle?
Huh?
Your ass looks so good.
Really?
Yeah, seriously.
Are you videoing?
No, yeah.
I mean, I was trying to focus on, like, I'm just going to talk and hopefully this comes through. When I'm like training, and obviously I'm focusing on performance, sometimes I'm just trying to focus on as well, like focus on the things I like about myself, like getting a bigger booty and not stress about not having abs and everything.
Yeah.
I'm looking at you, not at the camera, by the way. 'Cause I'm, like,
Oh, yeah.
but like, even though I'm like, was really uncomfortable, so like being in Cosy right now, it was kind of really nice having Kiara and having you, because you were like, you look so much. I was saying, okay, my camera just died, so transferring to my phone. I mean, it didn't die, my storage got full. It's really nice having a really good friend like Kiara here, because she was like saying you look so much better. And at first when she said you look healthy, I was like, I used to be so offended by that, because I knew that meant you look like you've gained weight. But now I'm just like, you know, I look healthy. Like,
amazing.
you see, this is why it's so nice. It's just like, you know what, who cares what you look like? And if someone says something nice like that, then they're good people. You should keep in your life forever. Love you. Okay, we're at Poke Bowl. This is my absolute favourite place ever to get food. Yum. This is what I always get. I always get quinoa, cabbage, salmon, like a whole million different veg, and avo, of course. What veg did I get? Radish, chili, yellow beetroot, edamame, all the goods. Wait, no, I do use these. I'm just doing this to show it. I use chopsticks.
I want to try these out.
I just got some juicy medjool dates from the Whole Foods store. So I know this was a bit of a random video, and I switched from my camera to my phone. I was really excited to use my camera for the first time though. Sadly, I did run out of space, as I do with everything in my life. But anyway, I just hope this video did spread some positivity, and I hope it was a, you know, nice, uplifting, good video with a good message, and I hope you enjoyed. And don't forget to enter the giveaway if you're interested in that, and thank you so much for watching. Yummy. Today was a good day. Well, still watching it. Also, I know this looks like a mess because I've inhaled half of it, but this is really good. I have like rice, all the veg, avo, chicken, there's mushroom, zucchini, tomatoes, asparagus, lemon, just real good.